How to log in or sign in to Netflix account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding to you on how we can log in or sign in into our Netflix account. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. So in order to sign in or log in into Netflix account, you can directly head over to the browser, or you can download the Netflix application onto your device by just going to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store in your devices. After that, you can just go ahead and search for Netflix and open it up on your device. I'm just heading over to the browser of the Netflix, and you can easily find this option called sign up on your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it, click on it, and this will appear on your screen. So there are different methods for each and everything for Android, computer, iPhone or iPad, TV or streaming device. I'm just going with the process of Android. For that, you just need to go and visit this particular link, which is netflix.com/signup. So you're just going to go ahead and tap on next and choose the plan that's right for you. So before signing up, you need to choose a plan that is right for you. The best one is the premium 4K plus HDR for this much amount. Just go ahead and purchase it, and you can find the sign in option at the top right corner after you have purchased. You just need to enter your email or your phone number. After that, your password, and sign in and create an account, enter a PIN, and that is it. That is how you can basically sign in into your account. So follow the steps and you should be able to sign in or log in into your Netflix account following those steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.